Hi everyone, I'm Rylee from Jayco Caravanland. Today I'm going to show you how to use your corner steadies, also known as your leg stabilisers. These here are your corner steadies, also known as your leg stabilisers. What you want to do with these is once you've arrived at your destination, you want to put all 4 of your corner steadies down to steady your van. Just to note, these are not for levelling your van, they are only for steadying your van. If you do need to level your van, you can use alternative measures like your jockey wheel or your levelling ramps. Now, to use your corner steadies, what you want to do is hold the leg and pull out your red handle until it drops down and locks into place. Then you want to grab your lever if your steady isn't all the way at the ground and wind it all the way down until you've touched the ground. Now, you want a little bit of pressure, just like that, not too much because then again you are leveling. Once you've completed that, do it on all the other 3 legs and you're good to go. Once you're ready to move your van, what we're going to do is that process in reverse. So you're going to grab your lever here, pop it on, and start winding up. Once your leg has winded all the way up, it'll stop. Then what you need to do, pull out the red handle again, pull your leg up, and it will lock into place. Then you're ready to go to travel. Thank you for watching the video. If you've got any questions, pop them down below or come into our dealership. We'd love to show you through our range.